Welcome to another edition of Bridgeport's Product Information on Demand. My name's Eric Sarasale. I'm the Technical Sales Manager at Bridgeport Fittings. Today you're going to see Bridgeport's IGB-WM, Intersystem Bonding Bridge. So come on, let's get started. Bridgeport's new Intersystem Bonding Bridge meets the requirements of the National Electrical Code, Article 250.94, Bonding for Other Systems, which requires all communications products, such as telephone, cable, satellite, to be accessible and bonded to ground in a single location. Bridgeport's IGB-WM product is engineered to connect a number 6 to number 2 AWG grounding electrode. Integrated mounting holes provide a quick, easy, and compact installation. The IGB-WM features a corrosion-resistant terminal block and stainless steel hardware. The unit's robust construction also includes 4 terminals to accommodate a number 14 to number 4 AWG bonding conductor. A paintable polycarbonate cover is included to provide additional protection and create an aesthetically pleasing outdoor wall mount installation.